Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this AP Precalculus video, we have a question from the topic of exponential function. Let's solve this together. The exponential function f is defined by f of x equals a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants. The table gives values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statement is true? X's are given 0 to 4 and f of x are given 1 through 16. So to solve this kind of questions, I suggest you to use the very first data given, and let's go ahead and substitute that in the given function. So we're going to use 0 for x, so a times b to the power of, let me rewrite this, b 0 is equals to 1. So we know that b to the power of 0 is 1, so a times 1, which is a, is equals to 1. So we found the value of a as 1. In all the choices, they're given a is greater than 1 anyway. But now we're going to find the value of b. To do that, I'm going to use the second given value, f1. So 1 times b to the power of 1 is equals to 2. So 1 times b is equals to 2, and a is 2 then. Not a, this is b, sorry about that. b is 2. So b is greater than 1, a is greater than 1, so we eliminate the choice A and C. And does this growth or a decay? So when you look at it, as x is increasing, as the x values is increasing, the y values are also really increasing. So because of that, this is a growth function. So the correct choice is choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.